Watch this video and learn how to draw 2 boiled eggs. Wow!
Come on kids, let's run, let's brush. Grab a pencil, chalk or brush. Now let's go and make some art. Draw and paint, come on, let's start. Let's have fun, let's have a party. Making art with our friend Artie.
Wow.
Hello, Artie. Should we draw some eggs?
Ooh.
2 boiled eggs? Okay.
It's a lovely day to create some art.
Artie, are you ready to draw the eggs?
Yeah.
Come on then.
Okay.
Let's start with a curved line on the left side of the page. And now another curved line on the right side. That's it. Now, let's connect those 2 lines with half of a circle. Very good. Let's draw a straight line across the bottom.
If Artie is drawing a little too quick, you can pause the video, that'll do the trick. While it's paused, you can draw away. And when you're caught up, you can just press play. Oh, that was marvellous, darling.
Draw another straight line underneath and 2 little half circles at the ends. Do you want to start drawing the egg cup?
Okay.
Start on the right side and draw a little wavy shape. Now do another wavy shape on the left side. It's looking good.
Man, this is creative.
Artie is so talented.
Join the wavy lines together at the bottom. And now let's draw some stripes. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 stripes.
Mikey, should Artie take a dance break?
Heck yeah, it's the best part of the show.
Quack, quack.
Dancing is fun.
I'm going to say, it may amaze everybody, but 10. You agree? Do you agree?
Let's start on the second egg, but this one's going to be cracked open. So we're just going to draw the bottom part of this egg. And let's do lots of little jagged lines to show that the egg has been cracked. A straight line across and another below that, and then 2 little half circles to connect the 2. Now we're going to draw the egg inside of the shell. Draw a similar egg shape as we did before, but slightly smaller because this one is inside the shell. Now let's give this egg an egg cup to sit in. Draw the curvy shape on the right and the same on the left. A line across the bottom. And do you remember the 4 stripes? 1, 2, 3, 4.
That looks fantastic.
Just marvelous.
Well,
You're finished! You're finished. It came out excellent. Get it? Excellent. Great job, Artie.
That turned out so great.
I can't believe how good it looks.
Thanks for watching, little artists, and we hope you have an arty day.
Bye-bye. Bye.
Bye-bye.